वेलकम टू प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड हाउस स्टूडेंट्स। हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल प्रिंस शॉर्ट एंड हाउस जिसमें हम एवरीडे डिक्टेशन देते हैं 180 140 स्पेशल जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट रिपोर्टर्स की एंड एसएससी डीएसएसबी और अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स में जो एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं उनकी हम स्पेशल क्लासेस देते हैं। 31 ईयर से हम इंस्टीट्यूट चला रहे हैं क्योंकि अब यूट्यूब से बच्चे लिख रहे हैं, टाइप कर रहे हैं, तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो हमने 60 वर्ड से मिनट से भी डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट कर रखी है, जैसा आपको पता सर जी डी बेस्ड स्पीडोग्राफी से। क्योंकि जैसे ही बेसिक कोर्स पूरा होता है वो डायरेक्ट 80 पे स्टूडेंट नहीं लिख पाता, और वे स्टूडेंट जो एक टारगेट अचीव करना चाहते हैं तो 60 से स्टार्टिंग में लिखना, अपना ट्रांसक्राइब करना, चेक करना, गलतियाँ निकालना, ये ज़रूरी है। तो कंटिन्यू हमारी चल रही है आज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 30 60 वर्ड से मिनट हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। रेडी, start. I am not having much time, otherwise I would quote certain figures which I have with me with regard to students' demonstrations. There have been 75 disturbances within 2 months, and these disturbances are still there. As a result of these disturbances, the whole peaceful life of the people is disturbed. Then I have got figures which will show how much loss we have been put to as a result of these agitations and strikes by government servants, workers, and other people. During the last year, 69 lakh man days were lost. This year, more than 3 crore man days were lost, and out of these, at least 2 crore man days were lost in West Bengal. So, it is not merely a trend, but it is a danger to our democratic way of life. There might be other reasons, but there are certain parties which would like to take advantage of that. What is the total effect of all these on our social life? Today, what do we find as a result of these agitations and disturbances? A feeling of doubt is growing among the people as to whether there is a rule of law in this country or not. When the man in the street sees so much damage of property, when he sees so many man days lost, when the middle class man sees that the whole life as also the administration is paralyzed, What is the effect on him? Will he have any faith left in the peaceful way of life? This is the result of these disturbing factors, and they are no more trends only. That is my point. These agitations are no more trends as has been described by the President in his address. They have become evils and threaten very much our peaceful way of life. So you must take note of them. Then there is another evil looming large and threatening the very secular and national life of our country, and that is the evil of casteism. If I can give you a few figures, during the past 3 years, there were as many as 200 riots in the country. Stop.